Your hair just look neat when you part it at the front, but when you get to the back, the parts just disappear. It has joined like a T-junction. Don't worry, it's not your technique, it's your pattern. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix that once and for all. Watch this video to the end to see step by step on how to fix uneven cornrows. Welcome to day 6 of the Cornrow Confidence Challenge. Today, we are talking about something that make a difference in your cornrow, cutting even sessions. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to cut into 2 sessions, 2 equal sessions. Next, you divide it into 2 each, that is 4. This serves as your foundation. Next, you want to take a little session, absolutely optional, and just keep that little session so that everything usually come to the base. Sometimes when you cut your hair, you notice that it may not come to the base. That story will change. So what you want to do, I'm going for 8 braids. So I'm going to divide this into 2, which I've done. Then just section it like this. So we're going to have 2 on this side, and next we'll repeat the same on the other side. At this point, you do not need to aim for perfection. What matters is that it aligns with your other parts. Just cut it steadily and it will fall in place. The truth is, if you add this to cutting your hair, especially as a beginner, you're going to see a remarkable change in the appearance of the hair. Everything would align just to the back the way you need it. So after sectioning these parts, you're sectioning just 2 at this side because we are going for 8. So 1 session for 2. 1 session for 2. This will help your cornrow. Here are a few tips that could help your hair cutting journey. Number 1 is to realize that we bend our hand when cutting like this, in an angle like this. The reason is because the human hair is not straight. If you cut it straight, at the end, at the back, you will not have any hair to join it. So another thing is that human hair is oval in shape. So while cutting your hair, you want to ensure that you cut it in a C form. Now, this is the last tip. You can use this comb to section out gently just the front to have an idea of what your hair would look like. So you use it all through the hair like this up to the end. This gives you idea of where to cut your hair. So having said that, let's cut this hair. So because we are going for 8, the first thing is to cut it into 2. Notice the way I'm parting it. I'm parting it in a C form. The way I position my, look at it, in a C form. This changes everything. So we're going to part this hair into 2 as we've done. After parting into 2, I'll then divide each of them into 2. Then link it to what is at the base. You'll see exactly how I'm doing it. So I've part this part, I'll tie it one side. I'm going to do the same for the other side. So having done that, we'll just do the same for the other side. We'll part into 2. Look at the way I curved my hands, my fingers. I'm taking it in a C form. And look at it, straighten it up. And that is it. As a beginner, do not skip this part. And if you skip this, this is why your cornrows sometimes become uneven. So also bear the shape of people's head in mind. Some people have kind of square shape, some have this straight long face. You put all those in perspective while parting the hair. So we are joining these parts now. I'll show you exactly how we did the one for the other side. It's basically the same process. To avoid repetition, just going to weave this part. Then when we get to the other side, I'll show you exactly how it's done. So here it is. Remember that we've part into two. So we're basically going to share that line and join it together like this. You can add gel, but I'm not adding gel because I'll need to wash this mannequin head over and over again, and that leads to thinning of the mannequin. So since we are going for 8, I'm going to cut it into 2 sections now. The first one into 2 sections. Cut it up to the base. It's not straight. I'm going to straighten it a bit. Then good. Then cut it. Do you notice that everything is coming in the form of a C? Like you're drawing a C on somebody's head. We are going to do the same for the other side. We'll cut it up to the middle section, comb, and join everything together. Then your cornrow is ready. You see when I joined everything together and your cornrow is ready. This is the results. Thank you for watching. Join me for the 7th of the Cornrow Confidence and Ladies Cap Challenge. Bye.